Hard watermarks can make even the cleanest bathroom look dull, but getting rid of them doesn't have to be difficult. With a few everyday household items, you can easily wipe away those stubborn spots and bring your taps back to a shiny. The white vinegar soak is one of the easiest and most effective ways to get rid of hard watermarks on taps. When you soak a cloth or paper towel in vinegar and wrap it around the affected area, the natural acidity of the vinegar begins breaking down the mineral deposits that cause dull, chalky stains. After leaving it on for 15 to 30 minutes, the buildup softens enough to wipe away easily. For tougher spots, giving the area a gentle scrub with an old toothbrush helps loosen any remaining residue without scratching the surface. After a quick rinse, the tap is left looking noticeably cleaner and shinier. Using aluminum foil is a surprisingly effective trick for wiping away hard watermarks on taps. It's an easy, budget-friendly method that leaves taps looking smooth and shiny in minutes. To use aluminum foil for removing hard watermarks, start by crumpling a small piece of foil into a loose ball. Dampen the tap slightly with water to prevent scratching, then gently rub the foil over the areas with mineral deposits. The soft metal of the foil acts like a mild abrasive, polishing away limescale and calcium buildup without damaging the surface. Continue rubbing until the spots are gone, then rinse the tap thoroughly with water and wipe it dry with a soft cloth to reveal a shiny, clean finish. Apple cider vinegar is a natural and effective solution for tackling hard watermarks on taps. Its mild acidity helps dissolve stubborn mineral deposits, leaving taps clean and shiny without the need for harsh chemicals. To remove hard water stains from taps using apple cider vinegar, pour some vinegar into a bowl and soak a clean cloth in it. Wrap the soaked cloth thoroughly around the taps, then pour any remaining vinegar over the wrapped area to ensure full coverage. Leave it for about 15 minutes to allow the acidity to break down the mineral deposits. Afterward, remove the cloth and scrub the area using a soapy solution, repeating as necessary until all stains are gone. For particularly stubborn spots, gently use a toothbrush to loosen the remaining buildup, then rinse and wipe the taps dry to reveal a clean, shiny finish. Tap cleaner powders are specially formulated cleaning agents designed to remove tough stains, limescale, and mineral deposits from taps and other metal fixtures. To use, the powder is typically sprinkled on a damp cloth or directly onto the tap, then gently scrubbed over the affected areas. The abrasive action helps lift stubborn deposits while the cleaning agents dissolve residue, leaving the tap clean and polished. After scrubbing, rinsing with water and wiping dry ensures a streak-free, shiny finish. Regular cleaning not only restores their shine but also helps prevent future buildup, keeping your bathroom looking fresh and sparkling with minimal effort.